Liebe Freunde der Firma Bauer, auch heuer begrüßen wir Sie wieder recht herzlich zu unserer Hausausstellung. Lassen Sie sich entführen in die Welt der Bauermaschinen und teilen Sie mit uns die einmalige Stimmung und herzliche Atmosphäre. Viel Spaß und beste Grüße aus Schrobenhausen.
Dear friends of Bauer, a warm welcome to our 2015 in-house exhibition. Let us share with you the latest Bauer equipment we show at this show and enjoy the atmosphere and the heartwarming feeling of our guests in Schrobenhausen here. Welcome and enjoy!
BAUER Maschinen, together with its subsidiary companies, has once again opened the door for its traditional in-house exhibition. The latest developments and innovations in specialist foundation engineering, together with a wide range of technical information, were presented to customers, partners and friends from over 70 countries around the world. On the open-air exhibition grounds, rotary drilling rigs of both premium line and value line were showcased with a variety of different attachments. A mock-up of a typical diaphragm wall construction site gave customers an immediate overview of the full range of plant and equipment offered by the BAUER Maschinen Group for the construction of diaphragm walls. It involved two MC duty cycle cranes used as base carriers for a BC diaphragm wall cutter and a hydraulic grab, a desanding plant and a mixing plant by BMA's subsidiary company MAT, as well as prefabricated diaphragm joint sections and various pumps. Subsidiary companies of the BAUER Maschinen Group such as RTG, Clem, ABS Trenchless, Hausherr, RTG, Famlo, Prakler, MAT and Eurodrill presented their own range of specialist foundation engineering machines and equipment. In the Old Welding Shop exhibition hall, customers were able to obtain detailed information on a wide range of topics such as maritime technologies, deep drilling for oil and gas, structural elements and components used in anchor technology, developments from the electronics department, ways of conserving energy and increasing efficiency, as well as the servicing and maintenance of BAUER machines and equipment by the Parts and Service Division. BAUER Training Center members of staff were also available with advice on the availability of individual training course options. For the very first time, visitors were given an opportunity at the Aresing testing grounds to look behind the scenes of a rig operator. Visitors were able to test their rig operating skills and on completion were provided with a personal certificate. A daily support program of excursions and a colorful and varied evening entertainment program helped to create a relaxed, cozy and familiar atmosphere which is always highly valued by our visitors.